What do you sing?
Family.
Family, family.
We are family.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's do Who Let the Kids Out?
Who let the kids out? Whack, whack, whack. Who let the dogs out? Whack, whack, whack.
Oh, Daddy's gonna wake up.
Who let the kids out?
Who let the dogs out?
Now let's do Who let the babies out?
Oh.
Who let the babies out? Who let the peanut butter and jellies out?
Uh-oh. Oh, look, she wants you guys back.
Family. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Okay, not quite. Not quite so loud. Daddy's still sleeping. All right.
Not for the end of our show.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay, good
If you
job.
want, we can do some more.
Some what? The burping show?
More in the burping show. Let's skip one. No. You'll skip one. No. Highly above intelligence, but I do not like to brag.
Right.
No.
Highly above average.
I.
You know what? You know? Who else likes families?
The red
Squirrel! The red squirrel! I'm not backed up for
You
it.
know who else likes nuts?
The red squirrel! You know who else likes cute kids? The red squirrel!
Like who would say that?
I don't know.
Oh yeah! You know who else likes zoos? The red squirrel! You know who else likes owlins? The red squirrel! Who else has an iPhone? The red squirrel!
You know who else likes peanut butter? The red squirrel!
Who else likes iPhones? The red squirrel.
Just
Annabelle, I got one for you. You know who else likes Bubbles? The red squirrel.
You must be a red squirrel collaborator.
Who else likes to fart? The red squirrel.
This is true. Okay.
I am the robot king of the lemurs. Delete, delete, delete.
You guys are funny.
Exclete, exclete. We are the dogs out.
Careful, Lexi, you're gonna choke. Who let the dogs out?
She's separating us. You on that side. You on this side. Now, go. Go.
Okay, no more fighting.
No more kicking.
Uh-oh. Okay, use your words.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the eggs out?
Okay. You guys having a nice lunch?
Yep.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Everybody wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow?
Bye, whoever your name is.
Can you blow kisses, Annabelle? Blow kisses. Annabelle, blow kiss.
Polly want a cracker.
Annabelle.
Polly want a cracker.
Thank you.
Polly want a cracker.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.